Hey guys, so for today's video I decided to show you a few of the new beauty products which I've received recently, and also a few products which I've bought. So let's just get started. First thing, I'm gonna show you the products which I've bought. So the first thing is this Biotique papaya scrub. I really love it. This retails for 200 rupees and oh my god, this is literally the best scrub I've ever used. So I've been using it for like, I think 3 to 4 weeks right now, and I'm loving it. So yeah, that's that. Then I have a new recent launch, which is the Himalayas blueberry face wash. I have this and I love it a lot because it's so like refreshing, and it retails for only 75 rupees. First I give it a try. There are I think 4 shades: orange, lemon, strawberry, but I preferred this one, so I bought it. And then I have 3 products from my friend's brand. Her name is Arushi, and her brand is Blended Raw Beauty or Blended Raw Apothecary. I will link her Instagram down below, and she basically sells essential oils and all the other clays like aloe vera, charcoal, kaolin clay, and all that amazing clays. So I have these. I have used it, and I want to tell you and also show you what the things I've bought. So firstly, my skin is really dry. Like it is so freaking dry. So I wanted a serum. I wanted to use a serum which moisturizes my skin, moisturizes my face. So I bought the 50 ml avocado oil. I hope you can see. And let me tell you, when I don't apply this, I can immediately see a difference in my skin, and I can feel how dry it is. So yeah, I love it. I highly recommend it if your skin is really dry like me. And then I bought the kaolin clay. So this is, I think this you can use it as a face mask, body scrub, hair mask, anything. And then I bought the bentonite clay. I haven't really used this that much as the kaolin because I was really excited because this has detanning properties. So I've used this and it has helped me a lot to detan my skin. Is that what you say? Anyways, it has helped me a lot to detan my skin, and I have loved it. And what I do is take like quarter teaspoon of each and every of this powder. I take bentonite and kaolin and charcoal, mix them together and then apply it, and it creates such a gorgeous face pack. So I highly recommend it. Plus it is like you get like a lot you get it, and you don't even have to use like more than even a spoon to apply it on your face. So yeah. And then I received a beauty box from Popexo. So I have 5 products in here which I want to show you. So the first thing is I received this Mind Glam I don't know, sponge blender thing. I'm not really sure. I haven't really used it yet, so I'm excited to give it a go. Maybe I can make a video on this. So yeah, that's that. Then I've received this lip balm. This is from a brand. I'm so sorry, I don't really know the brand, but I'll link it down below. So this is the lip balm. It is vanilla one. Smells great, and I completely love it a lot. Oops. Then I have this Colorbar Earth Fruit Drop Hydrating Hand Cream. If you can see, yeah. This is how it looks. I have used it only like once or twice. It smells really great, I can say that. I don't think it's that hydrating, but I haven't really used it, so I'll keep you updated. I've got the sample size anyways. Then I've got the Aroma Magic's White Tea and Chameleon Face Wash. And this is, I don't know, I don't know what's the price of this, but I've got this one and it is so freaking amazing. I've instantly fallen in love with it. It makes my skin feel, you know, like fresh but also moisturized, and it smells great, and everything is about this face wash is nice. Sometimes I use the wow, stuff is falling, Himalaya or this one. So I have that, and the last one, which is the South Hate Essentials Flawless Skin Facial Oil, and this oil contains white germ oil, tea tree oil, rosemary, lavender, and vitamin E, and this retails for rupees 350. So this is the oil, and honestly I love it. I love both of these so freaking much. So what I do, sometimes I mix both of these, or you know, sometimes I apply this on in the mornings and this at night, so it helps, you know, to moisturize my skin even more. And especially I'm really into oils right now because it's helping my skin, you know, for everything else, because as you know, the oil first sinks in, then you can use the moisturizer. I also know a few, you know, multi-uses of how you can use oils other than just using it as serums. If you want that video, let me know and I'll make it for you. So yeah, that was that. So that was the video. These were the beauty products I have for you currently, and yeah, let me know which one are you planning to buy. These are quite affordable, and my skin is really, you know, I have seen the difference and I've loved using these products. So if you want me to do a skincare routine, then also let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos every Saturday, so make sure you're here every Saturday. Till then, bye.
All your calibration, do the mumble like a crazy